Joshua Low。
Joshua Low。
Okay, number 4 price low Joshua 2000 cash
I'm Joshua. I'm a railway engineer. I work with Alstom, as you can see from my uniform. Interior designer is from Nakasa Living. His name is Wei Li. We managed to find him through Renopedia platform. He's like our second ID, and after that we just decided to go with him. Definitely during the renovation there's ups and downs, but he always tried to solve the issue as quickly as possible 啦。
因为我是不大会啦，就是我的外甥得帮我去跟他联络要做什么东西咯，因为他之前有他的屋子有装修嘛，连我们又不大会，人就叫他帮忙这样咯，叫他跟那个谁伟力联络这样啦。
Basically, they get the idea through my own units lah. Then from there, they add on the stuff that they want. So like this area, like it's grayish kind of style, right? It's quite similar to my existing unit lah. All along, I like black and white stuff, so more like an industrial theme lah.
就是看我也不大清楚，就是大概这样问啊，要装修什么，要什么那个 material 这些咯。连我也是问我的外甥看要做什么，他有做过吗？那些厨房的东西，还有要选那个 color 那些很难哦，那个很麻烦哦。啊，要做一个什么啊，给我们看这些，哎呀。
Overall experience, I think, is still manageable. Like I mentioned before, definitely there's downs also lah. But he managed to solve the issue quickly for us, so I think overall experience with him is still quite okay. I think it's quite short and sweet. They just tell you, let's say this ID will be contacting you, then maybe 2 or 3 days later, the ID will start to contact us. Because of Wang Lei, during the Facebook advertisement, I saw like, oh, okay, actually Wang Lei is promoting this, then why not we give it a try? If you use a platform that is supported by celebrities, maybe there's some backup to it lah. They won't try to feel like sketchy or whatsoever lah. They ask you a few questions like your budget, what kind of theme you are looking for, how big is your flat. There's a few questions that actually help you or help them filter out theme that we're looking for. Then maybe from there they can help us filter out which ID that can really do this kind of work for us. Yeah, I would definitely recommend Renopedia to anybody that isn't aware of how to look for IDs and stuff. So going through Renopedia, I think would be better for you as a start. At least go through a few interviews with them first, decide which ID you want to go for. Thinking of renovating? Remember to check out their socials for more home renovation tips and inspiration. Thank you, Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.